What's going on, guys? Today we're going to soup up my 2006 Nissan Titan. Now let me show you real quick. This is my 2006 Nissan Titan. I just got it painted. And for those who haven't seen the video on the progress, just look on the top right there, and I'll go ahead and put a link to it. But what we're gonna do today, and I keep bumping the tripod, we're gonna put a cover on this. So a little chrome piece of cover here. We're gonna put a nice strip, chrome strip right here, a chrome strip right here, and some chrome right here. Now, also keep in mind, I already did this. I bought some new handles so the handles can look real nice and pretty. I also bought some handles for that location all as well. So we are going to I'm going to show you real quick how I put these on. Okay, we have all the red part taken off. So now all we have to do is put it right across. And don't squeeze it all the way, guys. Make sure you have it right where you want it. There you go. Grab your cloth and press down on it. And pull to make sure it's on. That's it. This is not coming off, guys.